You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back. In the last episode, we talked about what to do before your international move. Now it's time to tackle what happens during the move. Today, we're going to walk you through the execution phase of your international relocation, from packing day to delivery in your new home. Step 1, packing the right way. Most international shipping claims happen because of poor packing. At SDC, we use international grade cartons, moisture-resistant wraps, custom crating for fragile or high-value items. We also create a detailed inventory that's critical for customs and insurance. You can learn more about our packing services on our website. Step 2, your freight, air or sea. Depending on your timeline and volume, SDC will help you choose air freight, which is fast but costly, and sea freight, ideal for full households. We also offer groupage consolidation to help you save on costs by sharing container space. You can check out our air freight versus sea freight options on our website. Step 3, custom clearance. Custom delays are common when paperwork is incomplete, prohibited items are packed, items are incorrectly declared. We handle inventory review, form preparation, liaison with custom agents. There's no guesswork, no scrambling for last-minute documents. We take care of it. And step 4, delivery and unpacking. Once your shipment clears customs, we deliver it to the door abroad, offer unpacking services, remove all packing debris, place items where you want them. All you have to do is walk in and start your next chapter. Executing a move across continents doesn't have to be chaos. With SDC, it's a well-orchestrated journey handled by professionals who care. Are you ready to move? Visit our website, or you can call to speak to a specialist now. Move smart. Move with confidence. Move with SDC.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.